Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on simple velocity edits that have just like a coloring, velocity, and maybe text. And this is resurfacing. It was always really popular, but now it's starting to become more popular. And a few people don't know how to do them, so I decided I would do a quick tutorial for those who do not know how to do them. And this is not my idea. I didn't start this trend, obviously, so don't give credits to me for anything except for the colorings and things. I'm just gonna go on TikTok and I'll show you guys really quickly. I just made this edit yesterday, so I'll just show you guys really quick. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to save a sound, and the sound I'm gonna use is who was the girl there by your side? I was the girl there by your side. You know that sound. And for the I was the girl there by your side, I'll do Paige Taylor. Actually, I'm kind of debating on who I should do. So I'll just have to find a video of her. Okay, so I found the video. I just save it as a live video and just crop out the watermark at the bottom. And I'm just gonna crop it to this part. Yeah, I think that should be enough. Go into VIDEOSTAR. So after you have the sound, you can click whichever format you want. I usually go for this one or the square. So I'll go for this one for now, and then I click select song and I select my song. Okay, and then I'll click import video and import my video, and then I'm just gonna split it to where it says she was the girl there by my side, or I was the girl there by your side, sorry. And then on the first half, I'm just gonna have a black screen that says the words who was the girl there by your side. And then you can just add your text, and you can use a simple font like Lemon Milk or Akira Expanded or Baby Doll or something like that. I'll just use Lemon Milk. It's a cool font. Or there's Cool Vetica. I'll use Lemon Milk. And then for the velocity, you can just go into velocity and you can adjust to where you want it. I usually go about here, so 3/4 of the way. That's that. And after this, all you have to do is you just have to add your coloring. So for editing pages, it's good to have a signature coloring, signature style. So you kind of want to make your own almost, and of course you can use someone else's, but it's just better to have your own. I might fix the text because it's literally just there the whole time. So let me see if I can get a new font or something. So I didn't really explain this part, but I basically took my video, my edit, and I saved it to my camera roll. Then I went on Font and I added the text there, and I fixed the timing, and I had the words come in one by one, who was the girl there by your side. And this just made it easier. You can do this on VideoStar. I know you can do the fade in text, but it costs money, first of all, and I do have it, but it's just difficult to use it for me, and I find this way so much more easier. So you could just do this on Font, and it looks completely fine with the fade in feature that Font gives you. I didn't really explain this, but I hope this information is enough. And then you can just click create, and now it's time for the coloring and everything. So first I go into Re-Effect, and I go on to this Running Man flicker, and I just put my flicker to say whatever. I'll just do that, and then Quick Effects. And then I go into Transform and Custom Coloring. So the coloring I use, that's the coloring I use. You can give credits to me if you'd like. And then I just click Create. And then I go into Multi-Layer, add my edit, and then I use this glitch. It's this new glitch update, and I love it. So I'll give you guys the QR code with that if I can find it. Here it is, D7 glitch. You don't have to give credits to me because everyone is doing this, but this is paid, so just want to let you guys know that. Add a watermark, so I'll just write my name, and the font I use, I'll put the name up on the screen. And then I just blend it. It's the first one in the third row. But yeah, that is basically it. And they're very like simple to make. And you can also make this on, no, sorry, you can't make this on Android, I was about to say. But you use VIDEOSTAR. So yeah, that is the edit. Let's just go look. And there you go, that's basically it. Velocity really changes in edit from like okay to like pretty good. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!